Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Mullvad browser. So first, download Mullvad browser and complete the installation. Next, open a new Mullvad browser tab. Search for anything you like here. For example, click Google, YouTube. You can access anything directly from your Mullvad browser. Here you can have to add some settings. Click on the three dots here. You can access settings to edit anything you like, the privacy, security, the caching, or the DNS settings. You can also have extensions and plugins and themes. You can add extensions, check for updates, install add-ons. You can also edit the theme here, and you can also manage the plugins that are activated directly into your Mullvad browser. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is a closer look up to Mullvad browser. You can also add bookmarks, add any favorite bookmarks and web links to your browser. And here this is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.